This is how we do professional sofa cleaning at DW Sofa Cleaning Singapore. Step 1. Vacuuming. This will help remove all the loose dirt, dust, and debris from the surface. Step 2. Shampooing. This helps remove germs that cause odors and smell. Step 3. Scrubbing. Using a soft, bristled dry brush, the sofa is scrubbed to loosen any dirt and stains embedded in the furniture. This is performed only for areas with stains, so as to minimize the risk of accidental damage to the sofa's surface.
Step 4. 170 degrees Celsius steaming. The sofa will be cleaned with a steam cleaner at a temperature of 170 degrees Celsius. This helps to effectively disinfect and sanitize the sofa. This is a unique method used by DW Sofa Cleaning Singapore to ensure that every inch of your sofa is completely cleaned and free of bacteria. Step 5. Hot water deep extraction. The extractor uses hot water to help remove dead skin, microparticles, and excess water. Here are some of our sofa cleaning projects before and after. Looking for sofa deep cleaning services? Contact us via WhatsApp at 65824100332.